Hey, what's up people, my name is Ball6David and today I want to show you how to create a community post. Maybe it's some text, maybe you want to share a photo, or maybe you want to create a poll to ask your community something. Now you can do that on your smartphone, either your computer, and it's very easy to create. I mean, first I'll show you on your smartphone, then I will show you on the computer. So to see your community post, you have to go to your channel, and now if you scroll, you can press on community, but as you can see I didn't post anything, so I don't have anything. To create a post, you have to add on the plus on the bottom, or then if I remember right, on iPhone there is a camera. As usual, you will upload the video. As you can see, I can upload the video or create a short, go live, or at the bottom is create a post. Press on that, and now these are my photos on my smartphone, which I can upload, or I can press on quiz. I can ask something like, what devices are you using when watching videos, or any other question, and you can type smartphone, computer, and so on. You got the point. This is the quiz. Yeah, discard please. Let's see what else was there. Image pool in the same way as before, but with images. Tells, we have also text. We can post something like you could do on Facebook, but now it's on YouTube. And now let's move on the computer, because I want to show you also how to do that on a laptop or a computer if you can post something on a smartphone. If you want to post something from the computer, it's like normally on the smartphone, but the buttons are just located in a different spot. So let's press on this camera which says upload. I know it's in Romanian, but I will translate to you. This is the button where you can upload videos normally on YouTube, and this is upload the video, go live, or create a post. We have to press on the third one. This is create a post, and from here we can do the same, like go on image, create a poll or something. Then I don't want to translate everything. Let's I have another channel which should be, the Chrome should be in English, so let's see. Yeah, it's in English. So create a post. This is image pool, text pool, quiz, and video. Let's close that. What's on your mind? Let's go like test pool, and let's post it. And as I told you, you can see that on your channel. Like, I'm on my channel page right now, and if I can go to community, I will see my posts right here. And this channel is 26 subscribers and only 59 videos. And yeah, as you can see, it's not true. You can create posts even if you didn't pass or you didn't reach at least 1000 subscribers. So guys, I really hope I helped you with this video. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button. If you got some problems doing this, don't forget you can leave a comment down below in the comment section. Somebody else may get to you, or if nobody responds to it, I will get to you and we'll try to solve the problem. I want to thank you again for watching, and have a great day.